Unboxing the secrets of the blue Polonaise. In a land of colors and laughter, there lived a little bunny named Benny. Benny loved exploring and finding hidden treasures. One sunny day, Benny's friend, Kitty the cat, came running to him, holding a shiny blue box. "Look what I found, Benny!" Kitty exclaimed, her eyes wide with excitement. Benny hopped over and peered into the box. Inside, there was a beautiful blue toy car with wheels that could spin. It was a blue Polonaise, and it sparkled like the sky on a bright day. "Wow, Kitty! That's amazing!" Benny giggled, his fluffy tail wiggling with happiness. But there was a little problem: the toy car wouldn't move. Benny and Kitty looked at each other, determined to make it work. They turned the car around, peeked under it, and poked the wheels gently. But nothing happened. "We need to figure out the secret to making it go," Benny declared, his little bunny nose twitching in curiosity. So, Benny and Kitty started exploring. They pressed buttons, twisted knobs, and even clapped their paws around the toy car. Suddenly, Benny noticed a tiny blue button on the roof of the car. "Let's press it, Kitty," Benny suggested. Kitty reached up and gave the button a gentle press. Asterisk beep beep, asterisk, the car's headlights blinked, and then it started to zoom forward, making a soft vroom sound. Benny and Kitty giggled and clapped their paws in joy. "We did it! We found the secret," they shouted happily. From that day on, Benny and Kitty spent their days racing the blue Polonaise all around their colorful world. They learned that exploring and trying new things could lead to exciting discoveries. And so, the little bunny and the kitty continued to unbox the secrets of their world, one adventure at a time, always sharing their laughter and joy.